Dashboard here. In this video, I'll admit I was probably in the wrong. Now, I nearly rear-ended a truck that was in front of me. Traffic was heavy due to traffic from Monster Jam leaving downtown Jacksonville. But I managed to avoid hitting the truck in front of me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Not sure where those people are going. Son, stop! What are you thinking? You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm thinking I can barely see his freaking taillights.
Yeah?
Hey you! Yeah, you! If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.